Good morning. Today, I am adding cow dung to my garden. It's a natural fertilizer that makes plants strong and healthy. This is dried cow dung. It is full of nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which help plants grow better. I am spreading a thin layer of cow dung around the plants. It will slowly release nutrients into the soil. Now, I am mixing it with the soil so the roots can absorb the nutrients easily. In a few weeks, the plants will look greener and healthier. Cow dung is a great organic fertilizer. Try it in your garden and see the difference. I'll show you how to grow a tomato plant without using seeds. Let's get started. First, choose a strong, healthy tomato plant with green leaves and a sturdy stem. Tomatoes grow best in nutrient-rich, well-draining soil. Mix compost and organic fertilizer for healthy growth. Carefully remove the plant from its bag and plant it in the soil. Bury the stem a little deeper to help it grow strong roots. Water regularly, but don't overwater. Tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day. Feed it with organic fertilizer every 2 weeks and remove yellow leaves. Soon, flowers will turn into tomatoes. Keep caring for your plant, and in a few weeks, you'll have fresh tomatoes to enjoy. That's it. Growing tomatoes is easy and fun. Like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.